If you haven't dealing with bad smells in your RV, if you have been dealing with nasty smells in your RV, maybe you need to watch this video.
We are traveling around the east coast of the United States,
Finding the best places to visit or vacation with your RV.
We are weekend warriors, and this is RV East Coast.
Hey everybody, Eli here. Welcome to one more episode of RV East Coast. Today I'm going to talk to you about two different topics. In the first part of this video, I want to tell you about the product that we use in our black and gray tank. This is not a sponsored video. We just want to tell you the one product that we found that works for us just right. In the second part of this video, which is probably the most important, I want to tell you about a problem that we were having in our trailer. We were dealing with bad smells, sewer smells in our trailer, and it was driving me crazy. And today I want to tell you about our discovery. So let's get the first part of the video out of the way. The product that we use in our trailer is called Happy Campers. This is not a sponsored video. We have no affiliation with this brand. We never had any form of contact with them. At this point, we don't even have an Amazon affiliate program, an online store. We are just telling you about this product because it works for us and we have no complaints about it. Before we continue, I would like to know from you, what do you use for your holding tanks? What products work for you? This is a community and this is good information that we can share. So now into the main problem that we have been dealing with for a long time, and we finally solved it. We have been dealing with sewer smells in our trailer for a while, and let me tell you, it was driving me crazy. I couldn't figure out what the problem was. I did notice that the problem was a little bit worse. Number one, during the summer when it was really hot, and number two, when the trailer had been in storage for a while and I will come back to pick it up, go on a trip, the smell was really uncomfortable inside the trailer. I tried everything. I tried almost every holding tank treatments. I climbed up to the roof to see if the problem was that vent cap in the roof of the RV. Nothing worked. I flushed my black tank so many times. I tried the Geo method, which is actually really good. For those of you that don't know, the Geo method is mixing a specific water softener and dishwasher soap in your tanks, and it actually works really well. When I use that one, I will put my face literally in the toilet, and no bad smell was coming out of the black tank. So what was the problem? I continued to research, and eventually I discovered in a Facebook group for Cherokee and Grey Wolf owners, and finally I discovered what the problem was because someone posted their solution. The problem was our toilet. We have a Dometic 300 series toilet, and turns out that there was a manufacturing problem with this toilet. Basically what happened is that the toilet was holding urine inside, was holding liquids inside, and the nasty smells wasn't coming from the holding tank. It was coming from the actual toilet, specifically the back of the toilet. I contacted the dealer, and the dealer had no idea about this issue, and they actually called Dometic, and right away Dometic say, yeah, indeed there is a problem with that toilet. We are going to send you a new one immediately. So they just install a new toilet for us for free. And when the RV dealer called Dometic, they try to get a different toilet, an upgrade to a better toilet. And Dometic say that they were going to send back the same model, but they assured that this time we were not going to have a problem with the toilet. Basically, they said that at the factory, when they assembled the toilets and they put them together, there were a group of employees that were not following the right procedure, and they were not putting the toilet together the right way, and that's why ours had a problem. They say that they have addressed that problem and that we were not going to experience any more problems with it, and that has been the case finally. So if you have been dealing with bad smells in your RV, check the toilet. If you have a Dometic 300 series, maybe that is the problem. And yeah, we are very happy that we solved it. So that is going to do it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. My name is Eli. This is RV East Coast, and I will see you at the campground next week.